That's right, guys. This is my Starlink dishy mount. It fell about 3 feet, snapped one of its legs. Just got too windy, so that was my lesson. And now we're mixing up some JB weld. Gonna try to fix this thing. And I would recommend getting a different mount for your Starlink dish, because this thing is, it's got a large gap on the spot where the screws are supposed to go on this. So when you try to put this up, there's a gap where the screw goes down, and I didn't like that, so I didn't put a screw in it. But that's the biggest problem with it, really. We're using a little bit of alien tape to hold that piece from sliding away, because we got to let this stuff set for several hours. And I went ahead and put my dishy in stow mode, so it's like just laying on my rooftop, unfortunately. And this is what we've got to work with right here, guys. So if you guys had the same thing happen, hopefully you have a nice clean snap break like we did on this one. So now we're just peeling the little piece on that. So this is really holding that whole part together, so we have to let it sit. And we had already put some alien tape underneath the other 2 feet. And we're just adding some extra underneath, because there is a lot of room underneath. But I guess we'll see how well this holds up, guys. Thanks a lot for watching.